Our non-stop coverage here on the Sushant Singh Rajput case continues. We are getting you more inside details of the interrogation of the CBI. We've accessed details of what the CBI is investigating at this particular hour. The focus at this moment remains on why Rhea Chakraborty and Sushant Singh Rajput shifted to Waterstone from Capri Heights. What was the reason? The family has alleged that she forced him to leave his house and move to this particular property. We also spoke to the property dealer on Times Now, who said that he did not believe that the money that they were paying was worth for this particular apartment, but Rhea Chakraborty preferred it because it was in a location that had lackadaisical security. Tamal Saha, Arunil now joining us with this. Arunil, we have accessed inside details of what really is happening inside that CBI office as far as interrogation of the Chakrabortys is concerned. We're given to understand that the CBI is questioning Rhea on why exactly they decided to move from Capri Heights to Waterstone.
Well, that is right, and this is the significant question that comes to the fore, and the CBI is interrogating Rhea Chakraborty on that what was the need to shift from Capri Heights to Waterstone Resort in Andheri for 2 months. In fact, staying in a resort for 2 months, what was the need for that? And this is the same resort wherein a spiritual healing session was also conducted under not even a doctor but a spiritual healer per se. At present, I am at the CBI Mumbai headquarters. This is the place where Siddharth Pitani has been thoroughly interrogated at present. Several other people also, we understand, are inside the CBI Mumbai headquarters. Some time back, there was a car in which 5 people were there. They also entered inside. So whether more people along with Siddharth Pitani are also questioned over here, whether these are drug peddlers that have been thoroughly interrogated, these are some questions that come to the fore. And whether Siddharth Pitani, who has bin interrogated separately from the other so-called accomplices of Rhea Chakraborty and all the other people, be it Neeraj, be it Samuel Miranda, all questioned at the DRDO guest house, whereas why Siddharth Pitani has been interrogated separately, this is the main question that arises, that whether he has turned into an approver or a witness, whether he has switched sides towards the investigation agencies. This is the main question that arises, and if at all that is the case, then it comes as a major blow for Rhea Chakraborty.
Absolutely. What exactly is transpiring there in the CBI office is a matter of speculation at the moment. We are, of course, getting you details from sources within the top investigating agency there. We do know that the Chakrabortys are being questioned. Siddharth Pitani is also inside, but there's also certain mysterious people who are being questioned inside by the CBI. Who they are, what the line of questioning is, we are, of course, keeping our eyes out on that. Stay with us.